Plant FAQs. Delissea argutidentata. Delissea argutidentata, a looming lobelia rediscovered. Greetings, plant enthusiasts. Ferb here, and today we delve into the fascinating tale of the Delissea argutidentata. This unique plant, once thought lost forever, has re-emerged from the shadows of extinction. Buckle up, because we're about to explore its secrets. What is the Delissea argutidentata? The Delissea argutidentata is a towering member of the lobelia family, native to the lush, wet tropics of the Hawaiian Islands. Imagine a palm tree with a crown of vibrant green leaves, but instead of coconuts, it boasts delicate lobeliad flowers. That's the Delissea argutidentata in a nutshell. These giants can reach a staggering 35 feet, making them the undisputed height champions within the lobelia clan. Lost and found, a story of rediscovery. For decades, the Delissea argutidentata was a ghost story whispered among botanists. Last seen in the early 1970s, it vanished without a trace. Thankfully, this captivating tale took a dramatic turn in 2021. 3 lone individuals were rediscovered, clinging to life in a hidden location on the Big Island of Hawaii. This remarkable event sparked a wave of excitement and ignited conservation efforts to bring this majestic plant back from the brink. Is the Delissea argutidentata related to other plants? Absolutely. The Delissea argutidentata belongs to the Campanulaceae family, also known as the bellflowers. This diverse group boasts over 800 species, including the familiar Canterbury bells and the delicate blue lobelia. While the Delissea argutidentata stands out with its towering stature, its lobeliad heritage shines through in its flower structure and overall form. What makes the Delissea argutidentata unique? Here's what sets this plant apart. Champion climber. As mentioned earlier, its towering height is unmatched within the lobelia family. Palm-like presence. The unbranched trunk topped with a crown of leaves evokes a palm tree silhouette. A lobeliad enigma. Despite its impressive size, the Delissea argutidentata retains the delicate floral characteristics of its lobeliad kin. The future of the Delissea argutidentata. The rediscovery of the Delissea argutidentata is a beacon of hope. Conservationists are working tirelessly to propagate this precious species using seeds collected from the initial 3 plants. Their efforts aim to establish new populations and prevent this botanical wonder from disappearing again. How can I help save the Delissea argutidentata? While directly influencing conservation efforts might be difficult, spreading awareness is crucial. Sharing the story of the Delissea argutidentata and supporting organizations dedicated to Hawaiian plant conservation are excellent ways to contribute. What does Delissea argutidentata mean? The name Delissea is a tribute to French botanist Achille Richard, who made significant contributions to our understanding of Hawaiian flora. Argutidentata comes from Latin, with argutus meaning sharp and dentatus meaning toothed, likely referencing the plant's serrated leaves. What does the Delissea argutidentata flower look like? Unfortunately, detailed descriptions of the Delissea argutidentata's flower are scarce due to the limited number of rediscovered individuals. Based on its classification within the lobelia family, we can expect bell-shaped flowers, possibly with the characteristic lobeliad asymmetry. With ongoing research and propagation efforts, we might gain a clearer picture of its floral beauty in the near future. Can I grow a Delissea argutidentata at home? Currently, cultivating the Delissea argutidentata at home isn't recommended. Since it's critically endangered, the focus lies on establishing secure populations in its natural habitat. However, keeping an eye on developments in conservation efforts might open doors for responsible home cultivation in the future. Are there any close relatives of the Delissea argutidentata I can grow? Thankfully, the lobelia family offers a wealth of stunning and readily available options. Consider the visually captivating cardinal flower, Lobelia cardinalis, with its vibrant red blooms, or the dainty blue lobelia, Lobelia erinus, for cascading blue accents. These readily available lobelias can bring a touch of the Delissea argutidentata's heritage to your garden. How can I stay updated on the Delissea argutidentata's conservation efforts? Several organizations are dedicated to Hawaiian plant conservation. Following reputable botanical gardens, like the Lion Arboretum, or conservation groups like the National Tropical Botanical Garden, on social media or their websites is a great way to stay informed about the Delissea Argutidentata's progress and how you can contribute. The Delissea Argutidentata is a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of conservation. With continued efforts, this towering lobeliad can reclaim its rightful place in the verdant tapestry of the Hawaiian Islands.